Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here with Matt at Ceramic Industrial Coatings inside of our custom color department. Today we're going to demonstrate how exactly you can match and dispense and QC custom color within your own woodworking facility every single day, like the experts here at Ceramic Industrial Coatings. From here, Matt's going to take over and demonstrate the ColorMate machine that Ceramic Industrial Coatings uses in our facility and offers to our customers as well. Go ahead, Matt.
All right, guys. So first off, here's our data color. We've got our core out here. We've got our color eye. First thing, we want to take our customer provided sample. We're going to load that into the color eye. You're going to come over here. You're going to press custom match. Our description on this one is BEBA3078, so that's what we're going to label this. We're going to go ahead, we're going to measure that. There we go. Now if you do have a larger sample, you can always measure multiple times in multiple different spots. It will take an average, but for this one, we know our standard is good. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to select our product. We're going to decide which base we want to use. We're going to use a full strength enamel for this one. We're going to make a base. So we're going to click base gallon, and then you come over here to formulate. Click that. And the data color will provide you up to 5 different formulas. Now I like to stick with basic colors, try not to do anything crazy. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick the 3 different colors, black, red, and yellow. So you come down, you press view and dispense. You can look over all of your detailed information here and what you have. You have your base, you have your description of it. You can even change the number of cans, the number of labels, and you can even adjust the quantities if you want to do that by hand, or if you want to change the total percentage of all of the colors, not just one. But for this one, we know that we like this formula, so we're going to go ahead. We are going to dispense this. We have our gallon can here. It's pretty simple. You load that in there. Make sure that the laser eyes are down in there. You can see it. It's lit up red. You're going to go over here, press dispense and print. Click yes. It'll come up again to verify that that's what you want to do. You can go everything again. Press OK. As you can see, it's going to take a second here to dispense. Once this process is done, it will print out a label for you, a ticket, so you can check and see what you actually put into your gallon here. So for this, it shows everything. We got our detailed information. It's labeled. We got all your ingredients in there, everything that you need to know. So what we're going to do is we're going to slap this on our can, or however you want to track that. Keep that ticket just for you. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead, you're going to go and spray your sample in the spray booth. You'll let that sit for 10 minutes, and then it'll pop in the oven for 30 minutes. Once that's done, you'll get a sample card. Your panel will look like this. It'll be dry, complete. Now we're going to come back. We're going to run a correction on it to see if the color is good or if we need to add some more tint to it. So load this in the color eye here. We're going to exit out of this screen. Go back to your home screen. You go to the correction, and you're going to find exactly where we BEBA 3078. You click on that. Press measure again, and now you can run multiple measurements on this as well if you need to hit different spots on your sample card. Reads it in, you press correction button, it'll bring you over here, and as you can see, we are within our range of numbers that we need. Our delta E and our delta L through A and B are all accurate and looks pretty good. Now it does offer a correction, so we can hone those numbers in a little bit further if we want to. But for now, it looks like this one is good. Now, if this formula wasn't good, it does offer you a reformulated version. So if you need to start over, it'll give you a better starting point from right here. So for there, you can press View Reformulation, and it'll basically bring you back here like you're starting all over. It's very simple, very easy. It's a very nice software and network to use.